easy go.
Scotty Boy 4 here again, showing you this other base here, 48. You give me 84,000 metal. I think I'm going to attack with this platoon where it has mostly Zeus's, one Abram just in case something sneaks by, a few helicopters, and Mortarmen. The Mortarmen are going to come up from over here and attack this war factory right off the bat, of course, because it does have some Abram in there. I don't know how many. Hopefully we won't get attacked by this in the meantime, because it is behind the little wall there, so hopefully I can deploy those units there without getting attacked. And then after that, we can split the Zeus's up, attack these three, and maybe get in range for that, but I'll have to stay out of range of that, of course. So after that, we'll have the other Zeus come in here as well and hit these up, and then we can bring in the airstrike and take that out, and all that with my helicopters, maybe mess around with these things down here. So anyways, let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, not sure how they spawned on the other side of the wall, but sure. Yeah, that was a poor spawning spot. My bad. Kind of Zeus just in case something tries to sneak up. This could have been easily no oil cost, but I don't know what happened with the Mortarmen, but the Zeus, that was my bad. I'm way too close to that machine gun turret. Alright, now we're going to go ahead, let's see, that's about even, so we'll just split it up. Tricky part is going to get that other flak gun. I might have to go right next to the mines. Hopefully I won't get attacked by the mines.
No problem. Yes. Dispatch. Ready. Get some. Yes.
Too far. Don't attack me. Just toggle that, so hopefully it won't do anything stupid. Stupid AI that I have. In the meantime, let's go ahead and see this up. Here's the tricky part again.
Morning.
Don't get attacked. And back.
Reporting.
Release the hounds.
Armor engaged.
You are victorious.
There we go. I want to see how much that one Zeus and the infantry guy was. Mortarmen. Mortarmen's going to cost the most, believe it or not. Probably. Say it wasn't too bad. I did lose 2 Mortarmen, so that's, you know, a little bit there. Anyways, this is Scotty04 signing off. Hope that helped you. You enjoy the rest of your day.
Zombie apocalypse.